Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of the smallest objects known to humankind, a world often unseen by the naked eye, yet teeming with wonders that boggle the mind. From the tiniest organisms to the most intricate human-made creations, this series will explore the remarkable achievements in miniaturization. We'll delve into the scientific advancements that have allowed us to see and manipulate objects at the nanoscale, and even venture into the realm of the theoretical. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible miniatures that exist in our universe. Objects so small they challenge our very perception of size and scale. We'll uncover their hidden beauty, unravel the secrets of their creation, and explore their impact on our world. Join us as we shrink down to a microscopic level and embark on an unforgettable adventure into the realm of tiny wonders. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, our planet appears as a mere speck of dust, and yet, within this seemingly insignificant sphere exists a universe of its own, teeming with life and complexity at every scale. Today, we turn our attention to the incredibly small, to those objects that often go unnoticed, yet play a crucial role in shaping our world. From the smallest living organisms to the most intricate human-made creations, the realm of the miniature is a testament to the ingenuity of nature and the boundless possibilities of scientific endeavor. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore these tiny wonders, delving into the science behind their creation, their unique properties, and the remarkable impact they have on our lives. Prepare to be astonished by the sheer diversity and complexity of this often overlooked world, and discover the hidden beauty that lies within the infinitesimal. Throughout history, humans have been driven by an insatiable curiosity to understand the world around them. This thirst for knowledge has led us to explore the far reaches of space and delve into the deepest depths of the ocean. But our quest for discovery doesn't stop there. We are also driven to explore the inner frontiers of our world, to understand the fundamental building blocks of matter and the intricate mechanisms of life at the smallest scales. This pursuit of miniaturization has led to groundbreaking advancements in science and technology, from the invention of the microscope, which first opened our eyes to the invisible world, to the development of nanotechnology, which allows us to manipulate matter at the atomic level. Join us as we trace the evolution of miniaturization, from the earliest attempts to magnify the unseen to the cutting-edge technologies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Deep within the tapestry of life, a microscopic world teems with invisible organisms. Among them is Mycoplasma genitalium, the smallest known free-living organism. Discovered in the 1980s, it measures just 300 nanometers. Over 20,000 could fit on a single human hair. Despite its size, it has all essential life characteristics: a cell membrane, genetic material, replication system, and nutrient conversion. Its discovery revolutionized our understanding of life's minimal requirements, offering insights into fundamental cellular processes. Mycoplasma genitalium's small size offers both advantages and disadvantages. It can slip through tiny spaces, evading detection, but it lacks a cell wall, making it vulnerable. It relies on its host for nutrients. Despite this, it thrives in the human microbiome. From the smallest living organisms, we turn our attention to human ingenuity, where scientists have achieved remarkable feats of miniaturization. At the forefront stands the carbon nanotube transistor, a marvel of engineering measured in nanometers. This technology promises to revolutionize our world. Carbon, the backbone of life on Earth, holds the key to technological leaps. Carbon nanotubes form strong, conductive structures ideal for transistors in modern electronics. They enable smaller, faster, energy-efficient devices. Imagine smartphones with supercomputer power or laptops running for days on a single charge. The future of electronics is nano-sized, led by carbon nanotube transistors. The pursuit of miniaturization extends beyond individual components. Enter the Michigan Micro Mote, a computer so small it fits on a dime. Developed at the University of Michigan, it has a processor, memory, and wireless communication. The Micro Mote opens up new possibilities for environmental sensing. Imagine deploying thousands of these tiny computers to monitor environmental conditions in forests, track the movement of goods in warehouses, or even monitor vital signs within the human body. The potential applications of the Michigan Micromote are truly vast. Track the spread of cancer cells. The Michigan Micromote is a shining example of how miniaturization expands the possibilities of technology. These tiny computers will play an increasingly important role in our lives. From the smallest computers to the tiniest cameras, cameras have transformed, becoming smaller and more powerful. The OmniVision OV6948 fits on a fingertip, capturing high-quality images. Imagine cameras in eyeglasses or medical instruments. The possibilities are endless. The OV6948 revolutionizes medicine, security, and entertainment with its tiny size and clarity. It enables early diagnoses, less invasive procedures, and better patient outcomes, ideal for covert operations and discreet monitoring. Cameras seamlessly integrated into everyday objects, revolutionizing movies, TV shows, and video games. Embedded in VR headsets for immersive experiences, a testament to engineering ingenuity and miniaturization, capturing images from incredible and unexpected places. From the smallest living things to the tiniest machines, our exploration of the minuscule now brings us to the realm of art. Here, in a world measured in nanometers, sculptor Jonty Hurwitz has achieved something truly remarkable. Hurwitz, using cutting-edge technology, has crafted a sculpture so small that it's practically invisible to the naked eye. It's a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of miniature art. This nanosculpture, a testament to the precision of modern technology, is a collection of human forms frozen in a moment of dynamic interaction. Their details, invisible without powerful microscopes, are a testament to Hurwitz's dedication and the incredible potential of nano-art. To create this microscopic marvel, Hurwitz collaborated with scientists using a process called multiphoton lithography. This technique involves using a laser to solidify a light-sensitive material, building the sculpture layer by infinitesimal layer. Creating art at such a scale presents unique challenges. Even the slightest tremor or change in temperature can be catastrophic, potentially ruining hours of painstaking work. Furthermore, the materials used in nanosculpture are often delicate and sensitive to environmental factors, requiring meticulous control over humidity and air purity. Every step in the process is a delicate dance, a testament to the patience and skill of the artist. But the results, as we can see, are truly breathtaking. The ability to create art on such a small scale opens up a whole new world of possibilities, pushing the boundaries of human perception and artistic expression. It leads us to question our very understanding of art. Can something so small, something invisible without technological assistance, truly be considered a sculpture? Hurwitz's work challenges these notions, forcing us to re-evaluate our definition of art in the 21st century. From the world of nanosculpture, we journey now to the realm of literature, where we encounter another tiny Titan Teeny Ted from Turnip Town. This diminutive book, recognized by Guinness World Records as the smallest printed book in the world, is a marvel of microprinting. Created by Malcolm Douglas Chaplin of Canada, Teeny Ted measures a mere 0.07 millimeters by 0.10 millimeters, smaller than the head of a pin. Each page of this microscopic masterpiece is filled with text and illustrations, a testament to the incredible precision of modern printing technology. To read this miniature book, one would require a microscope with significant magnification. The pages are turned, not by hand, but by using a fine-tipped needle, carefully manipulated under the lens of the microscope. The story itself, a simple tale of a young boy named Ted and his adventures in the fantastical turnip town, belies the complexity of its creation. It serves as a reminder that even in the smallest of spaces, we can find compelling stories and boundless imagination. From the world of nano-sculpture, we journey now to the realm of literature, where we encounter another tiny teeny Ted from Turnip Town. This diminutive book, recognized by Guinness World Records as the smallest printed book in the world, is a marvel of microprinting. Created by Malcolm Douglas Chaplin of Canada, Teeny Ted measures a mere 0.07 millimeters by 0.10 millimeters, smaller than the head of a pin. Each page of this microscopic masterpiece is filled with text and illustrations, a testament to the incredible precision of modern printing technology. To read this miniature book, one would require a microscope with significant magnification. The pages are turned, not by hand, but by using a fine-tipped needle, carefully manipulated under the lens of the microscope. The story itself, a simple tale of a young boy named Ted and his adventures in the fantastical turnip town, belies the complexity of its creation. It serves as a reminder that even in the smallest of spaces, we can find compelling stories and boundless imagination. From the world of nano-sculpture, we journey now to the realm of literature, where we encounter another teeny Ted from Turnip Town. This diminutive book, recognized by Guinness World Records as the smallest printed book in the world, is a marvel of microprinting. Created by Malcolm Douglas Chaplin of Canada, Teeny Ted measures a mere 0.07 millimeters by 0.10 millimeters, smaller than the head of a pin. Each page of this microscopic masterpiece is filled with text and illustrations, a testament to the incredible precision of modern printing technology. To read this miniature book, one would require a microscope with significant magnification. The pages are turned, not by hand, but by using a fine-tipped needle, carefully manipulated under the lens of the microscope. The story itself, a simple tale of a young boy named Ted and his adventures in the fantastical turnip town, belies the complexity of its creation. It serves as a reminder that even in the smallest of spaces, we can find compelling stories and boundless imagination. The creation of Teeny Ted was not simply about miniaturization for the sake of it. It was a challenge, a quest to push the very limits of legibility and explore the boundaries of bookmaking. It required the development of specialized tools and techniques, from ultra-fine engraving to high-resolution microprinting. The entire process was a testament to human ingenuity and the constant desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. But Teeny Ted is more than just a technological marvel. It's a symbol of the enduring power of storytelling, a reminder that even the smallest of objects can hold within them worlds of imagination and adventure. It prompts us to consider the future of books and the written word. In an age of digital information, Teeny Ted stands as a testament to the enduring allure of the physical book, a miniature monument to the art of storytelling. Leaving the realm of literature, we now venture into the world of automobiles, where we encounter the P50, the smallest production car ever made. Manufactured on the Isle of Man, it holds the Guinness World Record. Measuring just 134 centimeters long and 99 centimeters wide, and weighing only 59 kilograms, it's a unique sight on the road. Designed for city driving, it's a single-seater, perfect for navigating traffic and tight spaces. Despite its size, it's fully functional with a headlight, windshield wiper and 4-speed manual transmission. The P50, produced for only a brief period in the early 1960s, was never intended to be a mass-market vehicle. Only 47 units were ever produced, making it a rare and highly sought-after collector's item today. Its quirky design and diminutive size have made it a cultural icon, featured in numerous films, television shows, and even Top Gear, where Jeremy Clarkson famously drove one through the BBC offices. While the Peel P50 may not be the most practical car ever built, it represents a fascinating chapter in automotive history, a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of automotive engineers. It serves as a reminder that bigger isn't always better, and that even the smallest of vehicles can capture our imaginations and leave a lasting mark on the world. From the smallest creatures to the most intricate machines, the pursuit of miniaturization has led to extraordinary feats of engineering. But what about the world of music? Can the delicate beauty of a symphony be captured on an instrument barely visible to the naked eye? In the realm of nanotechnology, scientists have achieved the seemingly impossible, crafting a harp so small that hundreds could fit on the head of a pin. This is the nano harp, a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. Fashioned from silicon, the nano harp strings are a mere nanometers thick, 1,000 times thinner than a human hair. Each string vibrates at a specific frequency when plucked, producing a sound that, while inaudible to our ears, can be detected by specialized equipment. The nano harp may not be in concert halls yet, but its future implications for music and technology are profound. This miniature marvel opens up possibilities for new instruments and sounds. Imagine music created by microscopic devices producing infinite tones. The nano harp blurs the lines between music, technology, and art. It also holds promise for scientific applications. Its vibrations are ideal for sensors and NEMs. The nano harp reminds us that even the smallest objects can impact our understanding of the universe. Our journey into the world of the minuscule has taken us from living organisms to man-made marvels, each smaller and more intricate than the last. But our final destination lies at the very heart of matter itself, in the realm of the infinitesimal, the world of quarks. Quarks are fundamental particles, the building blocks of protons and neutrons, which in turn form the nucleus of every atom in the universe. Unlike the objects we've encountered so far, quarks are not merely small, they are believed to be truly point-like, with no size or internal structure. These elusive particles are bound together by the strong force, one of the four fundamental forces of nature. The strong force is so powerful that it prevents quarks from existing in isolation, confining them within the protons and neutrons that make up the core of every atom. The discovery of quarks revolutionized our understanding of the universe, revealing a level of reality far more complex and fascinating than previously imagined. These fundamental particles are not merely passive building blocks, but dynamic entities that interact with each other in intricate ways. Scientists believe that in the first moments after the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of quarks and other elementary particles. As the universe cooled and expanded, quarks combined to form protons and neutrons, which eventually gave rise to atoms, stars, and galaxies. Studying quarks allows us to peer back in time to the very beginning of the universe and to gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental laws that govern our existence. While much about quarks remains a mystery, their discovery stands as a testament to the power of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. From the tiniest living organism to the very building blocks of matter, our journey has revealed a hidden world of astonishing diversity and complexity. The pursuit of miniaturization continues to push the boundaries of science and technology, leading to breakthroughs that are transforming our world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of the smallest objects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.